Alright, hello everybody, welcome to another unboxing video. We are opening up another lightning box. So we've got 4 packs and we have a little extra card here, which if you look in the side you can actually see it's a Groudon. But yeah, let's open this up and I can show you guys. Alright, there she blows. The Groudon, just like I was talking about. Very cool. It's got like Team Magma with him, it looks like. Not really focusing. But yeah, there's the Groudon, and we'll get going into the first pack. So here is the Darkness Ablaze pack. Alright, so we got Electrike, we got a Galarian Mr. Mime, Grimer, Link, we got a Skitty, Galarian Dakamara, ooh, Vikavolt V, nice, that thing's awesome. Got a Psychic Energy, another Aridos, another Dugtrio, and another Billowing Smoke. Wow. Alright, well, if you joined in for part 1 of the Lightning Box opening video, thank you so much for watching, and catch me in another one in part 2 whenever we open up some more cards. So I'll see you there. Thanks. Bye-bye.